to my channel. I hope you all had an amazing Christmas and New Year. And I'm starting off my first video of the year with another hairstyle tutorial. Today I'm going to be doing a double pull through braid. So I'm going to be doing one this side and one this side. If you'd like to see the tutorial, then just keep watching. This video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more videos from me. Thanks for watching.